What's up? You want to play? Let's play some Tug of War. Strong boy. Woo! All right. No challenge for you, huh? Shake. That was a good match. That's a good match. Shake. Good job. Good job. You want to get it again? Again? All right, you gonna get your grip? What side do you want? That side or this side? I'll get this side then. Oh, which side do you want me to get? Woo. Man, no challenge. Once again, good job. Good job, homie. Hey, you gotta shake. You gotta shake. That was a good game. Shake. Come on. Be a good sportsman. Sportsmanship. Sportsmanship. You gotta shake. Thank you. Thank you. There's the shake. Another match? I don't know about that. You're too strong, boy. I think that's it for today. At least for right now. No, he's saying he got more in him.